Hello everyone. Today is a class number 6 for your subject EMFT. Okay. So today EMFT class number 6. Okay. So last day I have discussed that some vector identities, right? Some vector identities last day I have discussed. Today I am also discussing the vector identities, the left two vector identities. So third one, it most probably I have completed the second one, right? So now I will move to the third one. So now write divergence of curl. Divergence of curl. What is the divergence of curl? See, you have to make a divergence. You have to first make divergence of curl of any vector. Okay. So what is the meaning? Okay. So first tell me the curl of any vector represents what? Vector. So this one is a vector, right? This one is a vector. So this vector is acts the divergence tool. Okay. So first you have to complete this one. So let A equals to AX I cap, AY j cap plus AZ k cap. Okay. So now if we apply the curl over it, then what happens? Curl of this vector A equals to can be written as I cap, j cap, k cap, del del x, del del y, and del del z. Okay. It should be AX, it should be Y, and it should be AZ. Okay. So whenever you are calculating this one, then what happened? I cap taking as common del del Y of AZ. Okay. Del del Y of AZ minus del del Z of AY. Okay. Okay. So minus j cap means del del X of AZ minus del del Z of AX. Okay. And lastly it will be k cap into del del x of AY minus del del y of AX. Okay. Okay. So del del y minus del del y of del del x of AY minus del del y of AX. Okay. So next, so if we simplify it, then you can calculate, see that del del is del of AZ by del y minus del of del Z of AY. So similarly the other two terms of there. So this is the curl of it. Okay. So now you have to apply the divergence of it. So now you have to apply the divergence. So what will be the divergence? Divergence of, suppose we are taking as a p vector, divergence of this p vector should be what? Del del x I cap plus del del y j cap plus del del z k cap dot with this one. Okay, dot with this one, something I cap plus something j cap plus something k cap. Okay, this thing is nothing but this one. Okay, so now what is the rules for dot product? It will be dot I will be 1, just del del x of this one, del del x of this one. So that will be del del x of del AZ del y, right, minus del del x of del Z of AY, then plus, or taking it should be minus because of minus over here. So del del y of del AZ del x minus del, or it should be plus because minus sign over here, minus and minus, that will be plus, minus and minus, that will be plus. So del del y of del del Z AX. Okay. So last two terms should be del del Z of this one. So del del Z of del del Z of del AY del X. Okay. So minus del z of del y of ax. See, here you can see that this del x del y az. Okay, so see del x del y az. So del x del y az. So again I have I can see that. So this is a property for the del x y of something. Suppose it should be m. Okay, it should be m, which will be equals to del y del x of m. Similar thing. Okay, this is a commutative property of divergence or commutative property of vector partial derivatives. Okay, so what will be the result? Del x del y az, del y del x az. So they are cancel out themselves. So del x del z ay, del x del z ay. This is minus, this is plus, cancel out. And del y del z ax, del y del z ax. So they are cancel out themselves. Okay, it should be 0. So divergence of curl of any vector equals to 0. Okay, so what will be your answer? The answer will be 0 scalar. Always remember 0 will be as taken as scalar. Okay, so here you can see that okay, one second. Okay, so it should be 0. So this 0 is called nothing but 0 scalar. So it is a null scalar. What is null scalar? So this question may have been asked in case your exam purpose. What is null scalar? This is called null scalar. Okay, so null scalar is nothing but the divergence of curl of any vector is called the null scalar. So you can see that this curl shows a vector quantity. So this vector quantity, again divergence of this delta term, that is Nabla operator, and you get this 0. So obviously divergence of any vector results a scalar. So this 0 is a scalar. But last day I have discussed that the curl of gradient of any scalar, it is a 0 vector, right? So last day I have discussed curl of gradient of A. This A is nothing but a scalar value. Okay, this A is nothing but a scalar value. The curl of gradient of A equals to 0. So this is called 0 vector. So this is a 0 vector. Why? Because curl of anything, any vector shows a vector quantity. But here we can see that the divergence of any vector quantity should be a scalar. Okay, that's why it is a null scalar. So this is a null vector, this is a null scalar. Okay, these two questions is very much important. So first one, from the first identity we can get the Laplacian. From the second identity we get the null vector. From the third identity we get the null scalar. Okay, and last it is the fourth identity, that is curl of curl, which is very much important for your exam purpose. Okay, so fourth one, make some heading. Curl of any vector. Okay, curl of curl means what? This cross another vector. Okay, so this is a curl of curl. Okay, so now we are going to solve this one. Okay, so curl of curl, this curl of A already I have been completed, that this is a curl of A. Okay, so this result I can easily use the for here. Okay, so now just apply, just jumping one step. Okay, you have to complete the steps over here. The step is nothing but the curl up to finding the curl of A up to this one. Okay, from the last derivation up to this one you have to complete over here. And after jumping, I am jumping this step intentionally, and here it is it should be what? I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay, it should be large. It requires a large amount of space. Okay, so as per the space, just modify. Okay, so what will be your answer? Here you can see that. So del x del del x, del del y, and del del z. Okay, and here it will be this one, del del y az, del del z ay. So del del y az minus del del z ay. Okay, and second, del del x az minus del del z ax. Okay, and last one, del del x ay minus del del y ax. Okay, so now you have to perform the curl operation again. Okay, okay, so what happened? I cap taking common, this one multiplied with this one. Okay, so it should be del del y del ay del x minus del ax del y, right? Okay, this one multiplied with this one, and negative sign of this one multiplied with this one. So del del z of del az ax del x minus del ax del z. Okay, so this one second term, and third term will be, okay, it should be I cap, it should be j cap, and it should be k cap. Okay, it should be k cap. So k cap term will be del del x of this one, so del del x of this one, del del x az minus del del z ax. Okay, minus, so here actually I cap means this one and this one, my negative sign of this one multiplied with this one. Okay, so this is actually the I cap, completely I cap. Okay, right, this is the completely I cap. Okay, this is the complete I cap. Okay, so one thing you have to modify, please modify, sorry for mistake, plus j cap or minus j cap, you have to take minus j cap. So this one and this one is of, so del del x of this one, del del x of del ay del x minus del ax by del ay, right? Del del x of this one. Okay, so minus del del z of del del z of this one, del az by del y minus del ay by del z. Okay, and for last now k cap. K cap will be as per the similar calculation, del del x of del az del x minus del ax del z minus del del y of del del y of del az or del y minus del ay del z del ay del z. Okay, so this is the line, please do it carefully. Just I am telling how to calculate it, and now please do by yourself, you can get this one. Okay, okay, so after performing this one, you have to see that, you can see that, so I am using first this part. Okay, so you can see that here del del y of this one, okay, or del del z of this one. Okay, so del del x of this one. Okay, again del del z of this one. Okay, del del x of this one. Okay, and del del y of this one. So for every purpose, for every part, you can see that del del y you can see that that is del, it will be square term, that is del y into del y, d2y, right? d2 del y. So you can write this line, you can write d2, you can write that d2 dy2 of ax, only this part, it will be multiplied with this one, right? And these two terms you can write del 2 del y del x of a y. Okay, similarly this one also you can write del z, del 2 del z2 of ax, and del 2 del x del z del x into z, right? Okay, so if we compute this I cap, if we compute this I cap, then you can get these four terms. And similarly, if we compute this j part, you can have this double time derivative have two parts, and the double time derivative is two parts, and similar thing you have two parts, and dissimilar thing have two parts. Okay, so for every section you can find these four terms. Okay, for I cap, for j cap, for k cap. Please do it yourself, and you get the ultimate result, that the ultimate result will be, looks like okay, the ultimate result you have, you can check by yourself. I am writing the ultimate result, del 2 del x2 ax plus del 2 del x del y ay plus del 2 az by del x del z, okay, I cap, minus del 2 ax by del x2 plus del 2 ax by del y2 plus del 2 ax by del z2. Okay, so it is your I cap part. Okay, so actually what I have done, that, see, you have this term, you have this term in previous line, and this term also, and this term also. Okay, but here you cannot have these three lines, that is del del x ax, del del x del del y ay minus del del z ax. Okay, so this line you cannot have in the above line. Okay, so actually what happened, I have here plus j cap also del 2ax del z del x, or del x del y plus del 2ay by del y square plus del 2az by del y del z, negative sign, minus with del 2ay by del x2 plus del 2ay by del y2 plus del 2ay by del z2. Okay, and plus k cap into del 2ax by del z del x plus del 2ay by del y del z plus del 2az by del z2 minus del 2az by del x2 plus del 2az by del y2 plus del 2az by del z2. Okay, so you can have after solving these three lines. Okay, so then you can get that if we take it common del del x over first three things, then what happened, I cap over here, just first line I am solving, del del x you are taking, so what happened, ax del x or del ax del x plus del ay del y plus del az del z, right? And minus this is nothing but the Laplacian of ax. This is nothing but the Laplacian of x plus, and similarly from the second one you can have, if we take it common, del del y, then what happen? Del del ay or by del x, del del ay by del y plus del ay by del z, okay, and minus Laplacian of ay, Laplacian of x, Laplacian of ay, and k cap also del del z, taking it common, del az by del x plus del az by del y plus del az by del z, okay. So del del z common, take it common, and Laplacian of az, okay. So after solving, and these three term, take it del del x common, and these three term means del Laplacian of x, okay. So now what are the calculation after this line we are performing over here, okay. So I cap, take it common, it should be what? Del del x, take it common, this should be divergence of a vector. See, this is divergence of a vector, ax del del x, ay del del y, az del del z, right? So divergence of a vector minus Laplacian of ax plus j cap del del y, divergence of again a cap, a vector, minus Laplacian of ay plus k cap del del z of divergence of a vector and minus Laplacian of az, okay. So now what will be the ultimate answer? So del del x divergence of a I cap plus del del y divergence of a y cap j cap plus del del z divergence of a k cap minus Laplacian of ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, okay. So if we take it common, this divergence of a, then it will be gradient of divergence of a, this is called gradient of divergence of a minus Laplacian of a, see, a vector, or Laplacian of scalar is called. So or Laplacian of a vector also you can write. So this is the ultimate thing, that is if we take it common, del del a del of a del of a del of a, or divergence of a divergence of a divergence of a, then what happens? It will the nabla operator, del del x I cap del del y j cap del del z k cap, this is nothing but a nabla operator, and take this one common, so it will looks like this one, okay, and negative of Laplacian of this a vector, okay. So this is the ultimate term, curl of a, curl of another vector. So curl of any vector which will be equals to grad of divergence of any vector minus Laplacian of it, Laplacian of the vector, okay. So this is the proof, curl of a vector which will be equals to gradient of divergence of a minus Laplacian of a vector, okay. This thing you have to prove, okay, it is very much important proof. Please practice, and if you have any doubt in any line, then you can ask me in my class, okay, next class, okay. Thank you. So today's class is up to this much. Next day I will start the vector integration, okay. Next day do some heading vector integration we have to perform, okay. So today's class up to this much. Thank you.